Today, we will be searching for the most suitable conferences by topic. We will be using the AIDA dashboard. The AIDA dashboard is the Academia Industry Dynamics knowledge graph created by the Open University, in close collaboration with Springer Nature. Currently, AIDA is focused on computer science, but more disciplines will gradually be added in the future. If you are on the AIDA homepage, scroll down and click on the dashboard button. In the search box, you can type the topics, journals, or conferences of your interest. Notice that each of them has a different icon to clearly distinguish between them. In this example, we are clicking on the research topic Artificial Intelligence. Once clicked, a list of conferences related to the chosen research topic will be displayed. If we cannot find the exact research discipline of our interest, we can navigate using the fields located in the upper part of the page. One cool feature of the list is that it is sortable. You can sort the list by different criteria, including the H5 index, the yearly average number of publications by the conference, the average number of citations, and conference rankings. After finding a conference that interests you, click on it to access its overview page. Here, you can find various metrics, evaluations of publications and citations, authors, and keywords obtained from the publications using AI. We hope you found this video interesting. Please, write us if you have questions, doubts, or ideas for other tutorials. Thanks for watching.